So we're up in Auguston today, and I can tell you that the reason that people move up here is because of the parks like this. So this is Callaghan Park, and the property we're showing you today is right across from it. But the other reason is there's also a little water park, but then it's just a quick walk to the traditional school, which people absolutely love, and your kids have a guaranteed spot when they move in there. So anyways, let's have a look at this house, and we'll catch you on the other side. So the house really is ready to just move and enjoy, or you could easily do some renovations and make it perfect for your family. So the basement could easily be turned into a suite. It's got its separate setup for laundry and also separate entrance, whether it be for in-laws or a rental. It's a perfect option. Plus the back pad in the backyard is prepared for a detached garage, or you could go through the city process to put in a carriage house. As I mentioned, it's the location of this property that is absolutely phenomenal. But hey, we'd love to show it to you. Reach out to us today anytime, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, we'd love to talk to you, info@hardyteam.ca. We'll talk to you soon.